Let's break down a simple system for taming the chaos of physical assets in a digital world.
So you've got hundreds of assets, right? But your data's just a total mess.
Sound familiar?
The real problem is no one's following the same process. It's just chaos, making things almost impossible.
But the fix is surprisingly simple. It's a blueprint where you treat every single asset the exact same way.
Okay, so here's the big idea, a digital database. Every single physical thing gets its own digital folder. And you build it with tools you already use. Google Drive for files, Sheets for the master list, and Chat for data. But the real key to all this is the on-site manager. And their job? Well, it's way simpler than you think. The manager just grabs a phone, snaps a picture, and uploads it to Google Chat with a unit number. That's it.
And that's the handoff. From there, as they say, the AI will do the rest for us.
So after that simple upload, virtual assistants and automation just take over, organizing everything in the background.
This system turns a total digital mess into a perfectly organized filing cabinet for every single asset.
It all comes together in a master Google Sheet, which links right to each unit's complete digital file.
It's amazing, isn't it? A super simple task in the field fuels a powerful automated back office.
But really, why does one little picture matter so much? What's the big deal?
Well, it's this simple. If he doesn't upload those pictures, no one's getting paid. So, that constant stream of data from the field? It is literally the foundation for the entire business. It just makes you wonder, what simple tool could you use to totally transform a process in your own business?